Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of Hearts Adventures. Today we're going to be installing X server and desktop environments. Sure it's going to be no more of this console, right? This command line interface is going. But before we do that, I'm going to double check if we have an internet connection and do a Pac-Man sync to make sure we don't have any updates. Forgot that this series is supposed to be on up. I swear to God, I'm going to do this. Before we do anything, sudo Pac-Man sy. And I'm going to do SYU to make sure. Oh, good. We have three packages that will be upgrades. I'm going to hit yes. Don't worry, I'll do this every 7 days. Don't you worry. Before we get into desktop environments, I'm going to install 2 utilities on here right now. Sudo pacman-s neofetch. The reason why is that I'm gonna have to futurely going to update the channel banner on Artworks event on the RequiredTech channel. So if you see this video, the channel banner would have mostly be updated. So check the channel banner after this video. Simple as this. So now I'm gonna run neofetch. Alright, so here we go. Our host here we go. Our host is MSI, it's a gigabyte H310N S2H now. We're on kernel 6.7.9 in 3 out of 9 packages. The uptime is 4 minutes because I started the episode and the computer is on and ready for the episode. We have a resolution of 2560 by 1080p this time. Because for your information, this is Ultra monitor by LG. Intel Core i5. That's why I said in episode 7, didn't I? I thought it was Intel Core i7 or Core i9, but it is a Core i5-9400F, 4.1 gigahertz. And I'm correct on the GPU also. RTX 2070, and we have 8 gigs of RAM. Simple as that. Do I have the ultimate bash top? No, I don't. So, for your information, bash top was used to be excellent. Okay? Let me just check if I have H top, because that's the... Okay, I do not have B top and I do not have H top. Those are the very important things I have to have on here. So, apologies if I'm getting sidetracked. This is supposed to be unplanned. But when I said X7, that's sometimes that's the main point of a critical moment in time. Let me just double check if I can do this. Right, here it is, the btop. This is what I'll be using for the duration of this. So, btop plus. Btop is like bashtop, but I do not know if it's excessively better than bashtop, because if it is, look, it's better than bashtop. Finally! Somebody made bashtop excellent again. This is what we have. Okay, the reason why I want to install btop and neofetch is because those are the very important things I need to do. And there was a video back in you know what's its name, during the VR days of my channels on my RequiredTech channel. RequiredTech is now a serious channel, by the way. Just don't worry about my other channels for now. Just focus on this, okay? But in one of my past videos, I explained that I was using Linux in a VM. And I just took you back stop on that video. I shouldn't be getting into Linux stuff on my VR content anyway, because that's not the main point of the RequiredTech channel. We don't explore Linux on that channel. Right, let's double check what we have. How many cores do we have? Listen, I don't know if this counts hyper-threading cores or does it count and stuff, but we at idle 26 degrees because the CPU isn't using anything, because this is a command line interface. We hit escape, we hit options, right, and we have loads of color themes on here. btop Plus is one of my favorite applications now, thanks to BashTop's improvements. I'm going to switch to TTY. Let's see if it looks good. I can change the theme if it allows me to. Show boxes, CPU1, theme keys, theme background. If I hit false, how do I get into, I just want all these. Oh yes, I can actually switch this to the bottom now. At least I can do that. Otherwise, or do you want me? I can customize everything, but this is not btop video. This is installing desktop environments and stuff. So I'm just gonna ignore this and move on. But once we get into the the desktop environment that I'll be choosing for Lots of Next Adventures, then we can come back to this later. So I'm gonna hit quit. Don't worry. No more. Right. What was the command again? Sudo pacman mace. Fuck. Mesa? Oh yeah, I think I have this already. What was it again? Flipping damn it. Did I lose the move to ARCs install? Let me double check on my resource list. No, I don't have that. But let me show you what I'm doing right now, which will blow your minds. I have a Notion. I have Notion now, and this is where everything will be. Okay, everything will be in here, and the status. By the point of you seeing this, since you're watching this video right now, I'm currently on filming status, which is me filming this, and my tags under here and this here, and you will see this video at this time in Greenwich time, which is this one. I have video info. I know when then this video is about, what I'm targeting, and why should you watch this video. In production section, I typed in, this series is mostly uncut and unscripted, so the A wall would be my phone or OBS Inside Arch. Don't worry, OBS Inside Arch, let me explain something. In future episodes, right, this is my C922, right? Once I get OBS installed on a future episode, I'll plug this camera in, and we don't have to rely on the damn phone anymore for these episodes. So in content, I have my researcher notes, which is the research and notes for the entirety of the video. This is the reason why I have those digged up in here, so I can go to the Arch Wiki and go into here. But I'm still following the move to install guide, so maybe I should put the Arch install stuff that Mira put in the description, so you can watch that video Or instead, if you want to go fast mode and install KDE, be my guest. But I am going to pause this video. I am going to pause. I know this this series is supposed to be uncut, but please be patient with me. I gotta find where the hell I am. Listen. Okay, I'm back. So listen to me. Listen to this.
Okay, so
I'm sorry. It's still me. How do okay? Let's go back. Okay, how do I make this look good? How it looks like this? How am I going to play video games on this? How am I going to talk to everyone on Discord? Well, it's time for it. Sudo pacman -s sorg server. We're gonna get sorg apps. We're gonna get sorg x init. We're gonna get sorg twm. Sorg x and then sorg x clock and then next term, I think. And then last one, X term. So these are the X damn it, pack. And no, it's sudo pacman -s sorg server, sorg app, sorg x init, sorg twm, sorg x clock, and x term. Root password. 1 moment. There's 36 members in sorg apps. That's what we need. I think this is what we need. I think I should press on this. Oh wait, damn it! I meant to type in X term with not with an N, a M. I'll try again. There we go. Okay. I think we get to the point now that if I do start X all in one word, it will be up to you. Please, for the love of God, work. Holy hell, man. This is where we go at, boys. We have GUI, and look, we have mouse. Finally. Right, we can still do stuff, but at the moment, we have we have a basic tiny window manager. This is not a full desktop environment. If I click here, if I hold down my left click button, you can see stuff like iconify, resize, raise, lure, focus, unfocused, icon manager, X term, and X at restart and exit, which we can't do. We can't do jack on this thing. Also, let's go back because I have something to show you. This is sorg. Okay, this is the open source installation of the X Windows system. We're using it. TWM is one of these. We already did all the NVIDIA driver installation. We have sorg server, sorg apps, and we just did all this to show you. this is what we have: NVIDIA utils, and there's DKMS drivers, and all this. We needed DKMS stuff, of AMD drivers. Most people go into the X11 config, but for me, I could just do stuff. Modern graphics cards DPI changes if we need to. Set the DPI. Mr. Composite Mode answers. Do you see this, guys? SteamOS. I think SteamOS uses GameScope, which is the SteamOS's compositor, I think. So when SteamOS is installed, GameScope starts up and it starts Steam Picture mode automatically. Deck mode. Let's see. Yes, there's a lot of stuff I can go through, but we don't have that right now. Oh, apologies, that's a old episode, I forgot. Now we have one more thing to do. We have to choose a desktop environment. So we have Budgie, Cinnamon, Qfist, Deepin, Alignment. We have GNOME. We can install GNOME the GNOME desktop environment. You can install GNOME desktop environment if you want to, but that means we have to use GDM, which is GNOME Display Manager. KDE Plasma. It is a very remote environment. Plasma requires all the tools on modern desktop. Means it can be done. So let's look at what Phil had. LXDE, by the way. I told you about this earlier. So this is LXDE, the lightweight X11 desktop environment. It is fast performing, energy saving, and it was maintained. LXQT is a related article, so let's look at LXQT, which is the successor to LX, which is much better to install LXQT. But we're not here to install LXDE. That was Philip's old one. LXDE we could go back to Philip Adams days, but nope. We're going to be installing something else. Let's go into this. Wait, where's the shell? Oh, I forgot. It was renamed to the desk. Okay, so the shell OS was a one that we had, that Victor Tran had back in the day, but it's now called the desk, which is mostly going to be like, it is still the shell OS, but with the AUR we can install the desk. But we're going to be on the visually supported ones, and I'm gonna go with let's see, what am I gonna go with? KDE Plasma. Why not? Because KDE is a software project currently composing of a desktop environment known as Plasma, a collection of libraries and extents and frameworks, KDE frameworks, and several applications, KDE applications as well. So if you saw any OS first time videos with the KDE desktop environment, then you would know about this. It's one of the best things. So we are going to install it with SDDM. We're going to use X11 to start Xorg. No, I don't really. To let you know, I do not like Wayland. To be honest, Wayland's a piece of fucking shit, and if I get a lot of toxic people in the comments saying, "Oh, Wayland is better. You should use Wayland instead of X Windows system or X11 or whatever," then I don't care. This is my adventure. You can go on anyone else's adventure and just do it, and have parents yelling while they install Arch for some reason. Right, I need to exit out of this and go back to the command line because this is not it. So I'm gonna exit out. Whoa. Server terminated successfully. Closing log file. We're back at the command line interface. But we are going to do sudo hackman. I gotta keep doing this. Hackman hyphen s. What was it again? What was the command line again? Oh, Plasma. And I'm gonna get SDD and SDDM. No! Flipping with password again. Hate myself. Give me one moment while I figure out what the root password is. Apologies there, I seem to have forgotten my root password. Enter selection default all Qt6 FFmpeg or GStreamer. Mostly. I don't. Why is it now Qt6 FFmpeg and GStreamer? It is defaulting to FFmpeg, so I'm gonna hit enter. And I'm gonna hit enter on here, and I'm gonna hit enter here. There's 8 providers, repository enter. GNU free fonts. Fine. Jesus Christ, that's a lot of packages. But it's worth it. 2 gigs install. Right, again, this is going to be a long install because I'm installing a test environment, so in order to conserve gigabytes and gigabytes of space, I might pause the footage, but since it's going to be like 23 minutes anyway, I am going to let you suffer the package installation, cause you know what? Since the video is only 24 minutes, I am going to let you look at the installation progress of 400 packages, cause that's you have to suffer now. Jesus Christ! It automatically installed VLC for me. Thank the Holy Lord, I don't have to install VLC anymore. But not the electricity. If the electric goes out, then this will be a long Jesus Christ of episode. Okay, all the packages have fully downloaded. I go away until they install. It's created a few users: Flatpak, RT, SDM, and USB and MUX. Oh, it's doing another making a CPIO thing. I gotta give it a few seconds. Yes, I know. Missing firmware again. It's gonna be that. We just going to ignore that because you don't need to do it. Oh yes, we're back. We're back again. The problem is now, if I type in SDDM, it's gonna start. If I do the sudo SDDM, it's going to start the SDDM client. SDDM, there's a display manager, but so we need to enable this service. So sudo, I'm just going to do this system CTL sudo system CTL enable SDDM .service. And the reason why I'm doing that, the reason why I'm enabling SDDM, God, another flipping root password need entries. This is why I don't like myself sometimes. Oh, I forgot the root password again. Let me figure it out. Okay, let me just. Oh, there we go. Create similar link /c /systemd /system display manager.service s2 userlib systemd system sddm.service. Right, we need to do a flipping. Right, what are we gonna do now since the SDDM service has been enabled? Let's start on the command line. I'll try rebooting. Let's see the moment. Please, for the holy life of me, you better give me a login screen. Alright, that's a good one logo. Please start. Finally, Jesus Christ. Why is low on US? That's the problem. Now it's displaying the current time finally. And I'm filming this at 8:39. Excellent. Right, let's see if KDE is gonna flipping work. Attempt 1. Oh, and I need to enter the password as I entered last time. Give me a moment, the weaker version of the password again. Nice. Come on. Don't you screw. Oh, here we go. Welcome to the Arch Linux operating system running KDE Plasma. Plasma is a free and open source desktop environment created by KDE and international software community of volunteers. It is designed to be simple by default for smooth experience, but powerful and needed. I'm sorry for the display today. Now you get things done. I hope you love it. Learn about the KDE community. Learn more about Arch Linux. Learn more about Arch Linux. You already know about Arch. Alright, we're gonna hit that. Okay. The KDE mascot Concrete welcomes you to the KDE community. Next. Plasma is designed to be simple and usable out of the box. Things where you expect it, and there's generally no need to configure anything before you become comfortable and comfortable. I don't know. Comfortable or comfortable, I do not know. And productive. Should you feel the need to, you will find what you need in the system settings app. Launch system settings now. The problem is, do you know what the problem is? This is KDE's default desktop background, and I want to switch it up a bit. We're not gonna, the problem is light mode is not my thing, okay? Light mode is not my damn thing, okay? And this is, what first of KDE is this? Wait a second, I forgot I installed KDE last time on episode, oh damn it. What was it? Season 1? Okay. Listen. I tried to do this again in 2022. Never got to it. I installed KDE. And I stopped it from there. Because I forgot. But this time I will not falter and stop on there. Launch system settings now, because I can't bear this theme. I can't bear the light theme enough. I'm sorry. I need to switch to dark mode immediately. So settings, breeze dark. That's the one I need, and hit apply. Please give me dark mode. There we go. That's what we need. We need a dark mode. Right, I'm going to close this for now. We will edit these later in the episodes. Right, now we're in dark mode. It must be easier for you, because light mode is a sin that you shouldn't commit on Discord. On Discord, do you know what Discord light mode is? It's you committing a sin. We're going to hit next. Powerful when needed. Plasma is an extremely feature-rich environment designed to supercharge your productivity. Here's a scanning of the things that it can do to you. Faults. Store sensitive files securely. Activities. Separate work, score, and tasks. I use Notion now. Make the holy hell. When I installed KDE, it gives me the ability to use KDE Connect, which is. Let me show you what KDE Connect is. KDE Connect lets you integrate your phone with your computer in various ways. You can see notifications from your phone, and you can reply to messages with it, and it will sync your clipboard contents between your phone and clipboard contents. I'm filming this on my phone, by the way. That was important. Yeah, and it's very important, and it's very good of finding my phone, because when I can just make a noise on it, and it works. I can just copy the video file over to here easily on KDE Connect. To get started, launch system instance that's the KDE Connect. We're not going to go through that now. I'm going to go through faults. Plasma Faults allows you to create encrypted folders called faults. Yeah, it's just a password manager and securing all your passports securely and your ID. What is activities? This is like Windows 11. So this is like Windows 11, but it's the same thing as Windows 11. What is KRunner? Wait a second. How am I supposed to do K-runner? Wait. Alt space? I hit Alt space. Let's do Time London. Oh, nice. Let's see. Oh, nice. London 8:45:06. Nice. What about we? Yeah. Now I have VLC, which was installed. Time. What's the time? Sydney is. By the time this was in this, it's going to be 1946. But when it's 11 hours, it's going to be like 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So what? My Adventure Arts next just gets uploaded at 1 p.m. I'm just gonna type in Tasmania because Philip's living there right now. It is 1946 in Tasmania right now. So Philip is watching this. The current time, it's 8:46 for me. It's currently 9:46 for you as of this recording. I'll use K-runner sometimes to convert stuff. So, like, if I have to do calculations and stuff, I have to do it. Let's move on to overview. Okay, it's a full screen thing. Okay, overview is a full screen overlay. So you'll open windows, including allowing you easy access so you can't virtual desktop, and to add more elements between them. Finally, it offers K1 and power sections, also filter for open windows. You can access overview by using the Meta W keyboard shortcut. They just whipped off Facebook, didn't they? No, wait a second. Meta is actually the super key, which is the Windows key. Let's do Windows key W. Jesus Christ. I have my full Train 119 experience on this goddamn monitor, which is excellent. Well, I'm going to hit escape to go back and move on to this. Get new stuff. Through Plasma system settings and KDE apps, you might find buttons to get new things. Click on them, also find content to extend the system made by other people like you. In this way, it's also that functionality you want without asking the KDE developers to implement themselves. Note that content acquired this way may not be reviewed by the Arch packages. So it's basically just a different thing when the Arch uses a repository, but it's not that. Oh wait, when I try and click on this now, it's saying that I have to choose an application. You know why it's popping this up? It's because I don't have a web browser, and if I try and press the web browser icon, it's gonna make it dun 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 sound, and I don't like that, and that's bad. The Discover app. We are gonna still use Pacman to install packages, but Flatpak is excellent. Share usage anonymous usage information. Other purpose. Oh my god! You know the reason why I installed Linux, right? Windows telemetry. Windows 11 has telemetry. You know what I don't like? Windows stealing my data. KDE is not a big company. Thank the Holy Lord it's not. Otherwise I'll be not using this. Congratulations, KDE. You're not Microsoft. You're actually a international volunteer community made by people by donating their time and passion. Do you know what is using KDE? Let me tell you a story. My Steam Deck runs KDE. Not this version of KDE, mind you. But the desktop wallpaper is very different in SteamOS, rather than having KDE having this. KDE relies on donations. Yes, you can donate to them. I don't mind. And it's your choice to donate to them if you can. I'm gonna hit finish. It's okay. Close the initial set. We have KDE installed. So I'm gonna conclude this here. Because why not? Because I don't have time. But thank you all for watching. Wait a second. We're not gonna end here. Because the problem is I don't have a web browser. And if I don't have a web browser, where the hell is... No, I need a terminal. I need a terminal now. Otherwise... Right, where is it? Xterm. Where is my terminal client? There we go. Oh, you know I hate this terminal, right? Let's do a change. Sudo Pacman -s konsole when I'm here, I'm just going to install that browser. Even though it is not going to be in this episode, I will need to install KDE console and enable that. God damn it! Keep forgetting the goddamn password every single time. I gotta use my super secure password. And I forgot it's a capital S this time. I forgot. Linux users installing web browser. 3, 2, 1. You see this, boys? You see what I'm talking about? Installing a web browser. That was easy. We're going to say goodbye to Xterm, unless we need to use this as a fallback. So, bye Xterm. Right, now, we're going to pop up the thing again. Where's the goddamn KDE menu? I'm clicking on the menu. There we go. Where is it? Settings, system, console. There we go. Let's see if it's up. Oh, yes, this is the one I need. We can. Alright, where is it? Shift plus. I know what the command is to zoom in. I'm gonna have to zoom in. Shift. What the hell? What? Oh, it's Control plus. I can't even hit Control plus. I need to expand it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope. Okay. Now you can see better because now the console, the KDE console is much better. I'm gonna expand this so you can see better. Okay. So, before I go, let's check neofetch again. By the way, we're gonna update this once this episode has been released. The channel banner will change to display all this. Let's see if btop is working, because it might have changed. Well, I'm just gonna zoom out of it. there we go. It seems like now the CPU temperature has increased since we last time have it. So I'm going to conclude this episode here. Thank you for watching the episode. What was the episode number again? Notion, please help me. Notion helps me. I feel like Notion is helping me here. Thank you for watching episode 2 of RequiredTech Adventures. I'm going to tell over to my face. Thank you so much for watching episode 2. So, in episode 3, we're going to say goodbye to this phone and install OBS Studio. So, we don't need to use this phone anymore. Jesus Holy Christ, my arm I'm very unstable. You see what happens when you don't have something, when you have your phone, when you just record with the damn phone, it's gonna be much more bad whenever. So in episode 3, I'm gonna be planning to install OBS on here and getting a file manager on here. So, thank you for watching this episode of RequiredTech Adventures. We're going to see you on episode 3. Goodbye.